Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the official WhatsApp backup now. First, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account or Apple ID and have enough free cloud space. This avoids failed uploads. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi and plug into power to prevent interruptions. Then open WhatsApp, go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, choose Include Videos if you want larger size, and press Backup. This immediately creates the cloud copy that you'll later restore from. Once the backup starts, monitor progress and estimated size. Large media makes it slower, so be patient. Make sure automatic backups are set to your preferred cadence, like daily for active chats, to keep history current. On Android, you can also make a local backup to transfer between phones. Create the local backup, then copy the /WhatsApp/databases folder to the new device or SD card. These steps ensure you have both cloud safety and a device-level fallback if needed. To complete restoration, install WhatsApp on the new phone and verify the same phone number and the same Google account or Apple ID you used for backup. This must match or the cloud backup won't appear. After verification, WhatsApp detects the backup and prompts you to restore. Tap it and wait for messages, then media to download. If you don't see a backup, make sure you use the same account and number, update WhatsApp, confirm cloud storage availability, and retry. That one check you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.